Hello, today I will show you how you can download the board resolution for sale of property. Just go on Google and type board resolution for sale of property, and after that just add Bizfoc at last. Click enter. This will be the page that pop up on your screen once you click on the first link. Just scroll down and check this format. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes to update this information, but with Bizfoc, you can do this within 2 minutes. Enter the required information: company name, SIN, register address, click on next, add your meeting details, click next, add area of property and next, add director name, for example Rahul, din, date, and city. You can skip any information if you don't have. Once you fill the details, just click on submit. You can see one Word document already automatically downloaded in my PC. This will be the document you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.